back, cause
I need you, I need you.
Hey y'all, so I know this vlog is all over the place like any other time, but basically before we even finish the rest of this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, make sure I hit my notification bell so I can get a notification when I post. And that's on period. I'm got bangers for y'all. As y'all see, I'm on vacation right now, so I'm gonna be vlogging for y'all. Y'all just gonna be watching, so get y'all popcorn and relax and watch me, period. It's real hot. I'm waiting on my mom so we can continue walking. But the beach walk is so long for no reason. Like, why? But yeah, period. It's hot out here. And yeah, I look cute or whatever.
Mommy!
But yeah, look at my mom. That it girl for real. Got a whole bed to lay on a beach, like an actual bed. Open your eyes. All the way back there. I decided to leave them because I'm ready to go. But yeah, we leaving or whatever. But yeah, I left them. They were still all the way on the beach. And I came here to sit down because I'm not waiting for nobody. But I'm on a boardwalk. My edges messed up because I sweated them out, but it's alright. Still look cute. But yeah. Hey y'all, hopefully y'all can hear me, but I'm so mad because I lost a lot of footage. I'm back home, as y'all can tell. I didn't get a chance to show the hotel or none of that, and I'm like so mad, but I broke my phone yesterday. It wasn't working or turning on, so I didn't have no footage of what I did, but I could explain to y'all. I just basically, I think the last clip I was at a hotel. Yeah, I was showing y'all the inside of the hotel, and then we went up to the room. And you know, we stayed stayed, and then it was only a 1-day trip type thing. We went to the pier at night and everything. But yeah, that's all we really did. I'm so mad I lost footage because now I'm trying to figure out if I want to post this or not, even though I don't have no footage. But yeah, I'm back home. But if I do post this, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I have plenty of more vlogs coming for y'all, so be prepared for that. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and peace.